Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andre Miller here. Welcome. Today, I'm going to be talking about work from home, how to make your first sale online as an affiliate. All right. So whether it's Amazon, whether it's eBay, whether it's affiliate programs out there. So I'm going to be talking about working from home, how to make your first sale as an affiliate, where you can crush like $500 to $1,000. So I'm going to give you some tips that's going to help you. So if it's your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Stay at the end. I'm definitely going to have a bonus for you. I'm going to recommend a program that I've been using at the end so you guys can get started. All right, so stick with me at the end. But if it's your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Always drop in the comments. Let me know if you guys enjoy this video, and I'll keep making more as well. All right, so a few people have been requesting about me making a couple of videos. So this one, I'm definitely going to shoot work from home, how to make your very, very, very first sale online, all right, as an affiliate. So the first thing you want to know, right, you want to have to know your target audience. Like, who are you going to target? Most people come online, the first thing they're like, all right, I want to know how to make money, but they just start spamming their links here and there, and that is not the right way. So you have to know your target audience. Who are you speaking to? So you want to make sure you know their age, their gender, their occupation, income level, experience that they have online. So that's how. So define your niche, who you're trying to target. Let's say you always want to look at yourself and say, okay, I want to target like me. I'm married. I'm a dad. So I'm married. I'm a dad. But I try to target family, like people who want to spend more time with their family. So always look at yourself and identify your audience. The next thing you want to do, right, after you identify your audience, you want to, what kind of problems do your audience have? Like, how could you help them? Are they looking for more leads? Are they generating more sales? Are they having information overwhelm and social approval and all that kind of stuff? Like, do they feel burnout? Are they trying to scale their business or do whatever it is? So you want to make sure you identify that. And the next thing you have to do, you have to create content and upload it, post it on your social media. So whether you're going to be using YouTube, you're going to be using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever there is, there's people everywhere and there's people on different platforms. People always say, okay, which platform is the best? There's no such thing as the better one. You just got to pick one, master it, get really good at it, and then people are going to follow you. That's how you grow. So once you identify so far your audience, and then you can solve their problems, you always want to create content. Where are you going to get content from? You can get content from Google, YouTube. Create content, read a lot, and then when you read all that information, then you post it on your social media. And that's how you're going to master helping your audience solve their problems and going through all their business. All right. So the next thing, read a lot, listen to a lot of audios. This grow your mindset. Most people coming online, right? They want to make money. They want to make their first sale without realizing that they have to develop. They have to learn all this stuff first, right? You got to learn everything. So make sure you do that, and always give more knowledge to your audience. If you learn more, whatever you learn, you share with the audience, and I can guarantee you that you're going to be way ahead of the other people who is not putting out any content. So people are going to look at you as an authority because guess what? You learn something, you share it with them. The next thing you want to do, always make sure that you just talk to your audience, man. Rap with them, get along with them. Always go out there and go the extra mile and, be helpful. Most people are here just for grab a quick sale. But yeah, we all want to make our first sale, right? We all want to make our first sale. But start to develop your audience, especially when you're doing affiliate marketing. So you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to make your first sale, right? You want to work from home. You got to apply these things. And I can guarantee you that, if you apply all this for, let's say, a year, 2 years, 3 years, you're going to see how your income is going to grow so big that you're going to start to see like 6-figure online. And the next thing, most people are trying to come online and they try to go on offers that, I'm not saying, they try to go for like a business that's going to give them commission of like $5, $10, $12. Like that's not going to get, you need to start to get some offers that's going to pay big commission. Yeah, you're going to still make money. I'm not saying, yeah, you want to make money, but if you want life-changing opportunity, I highly recommend you check out the program that's called Legendary Marketer, because they have a great system. They have coaching system. I'm one of the coaches, by the way. They have great coach. They have a great system. Everything is structured. So if you want to, if you want something that's good, make sure that you always want to, because people decide like, all right, I'm going to go out on my own. Yes, you can go out on your own, but if you don't know what you're going to do, you're going to make mistakes. And most people think that, okay, let me jump from one opportunity to the next. Let me try this thing, because we as people get bored easily. So if something is not working right away, like instant gratification, they're like, oh my goodness, this is not what I signed up for. I'm telling you, a year ago when my wife was only working $125, right? And I just moved here to the US, right? Because I'm from Jamaica, and everybody knows it. If you're brand new, now you're going to know. I'm from Jamaica and I moved here, and I couldn't work. So I had to find a way, and I used the internet to find a way to pay all my bills, pay for everything. Now we're living a good life. We're both work from home, both me and my wife, and we do this thing. So again, if you're looking for a life changing and you really want to change your life, always find a mentor and someone who's going to help and someone who's going to guide you. And you need that. That's what you need. And follow people who are successful. Follow people who are successful. Watch them, learn from them. And that's how you're going to scale your income. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. This video was a quick one, and it's work from home, how to make your first sale. And if you apply the content that I just give you, I can promise you, because most people are like, so where do I start? Start a YouTube channel, start a Facebook account, start a social media, start one thing, work on it, get really good at it, know everything about it before you move on to the next one. And watching, you're going to see how your income grow. My name is Andre. Click on the link down below if you guys want to get into a real system, someone who's going to help you, guide you, and check out the link, see what we have to offer, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.